Please go. Yeah, Pavel, please. You are not audible, Pavel. Pavel
What
Khan.
I should tell?
Please explain. Introduce yourself because you are new, right?
Yes.
So new people should introduce themselves.
My name is Mohammad Adian Khan. I I am Parvez son and I am from India and I am
Oh, where did
studying
you
in
get
class
the link?
11.
Where did you get the link? How did you join this class?
My father gave me the link to continue the class.
Your father?
Yes.
And how he got it?
His father is member of Silent Mode Cyber Security.
Yes.
Hello? It was my network was disconnected. Okay, I got it. I got it now. Well, thanks for joining. You have a good father, and I hope you will be a good father. When you're going to help your son also.
Thank
If
you.
you're good, if you're good, your son also will be good. I know
Okay.
that you're not married, but yes, you will be in the future. But if you're bad, your son is also going to be bad, and you will get no help. You find there are a lot of orphans. They're not going to stay at the same age. So simple, help people, and be happy. As I told you, making money is not success. Having a good job, a good life is not success. Being happy in all conditions and situations, this is actually a key to success. You know, you've seen a lot of buildings and luxurious life people have in this world. And when you look at them, it's just sparkling from outside. In real, when you're going to spend your time with them, you'll find that they are taking alcohol or something else because they have a lot of burden. They have a lot on their plates. They want to forget it. They want to banish it. Be peace, to be in peace, to be happy. This is the only one reason. When you be positive, when you think positive, you help people, and you will be happy. Feel that you are successful. It's okay. You don't have a Mercedes Benz car. You don't have a villa more than worth of $1 billion. It's okay. It's not going to stay in your life forever. It's not having about a gorgeous wife. She's not going to stay in your life forever. I mean that she will turn old after 20 years, and maybe you won't like this lady when she is not gorgeous. But when you love the heart, you will have heart to heart connection. Either you're turning 100 years old, you still love to each other. I want to tell you one of my experiences since I'm teaching, because I'm friendly. I don't get only messages for getting learn English from my side. I also get a lot of messages because they have problems, they have family problems, relationship problems in family. Because they have a lot of problems in their families. Sometimes it's between husband and wife. Sometimes It's between brothers and sisters. Sometimes it's between parents and daughter and son. And this is really very hard situation to understand when you're not polite, when you're not exactly the person you should be. Recently, I got a message from one of my students. She is married. She has two kids, and she said that she is not happy with her husband. Why? Because husband is cheating on her. He's having a girlfriend while having a wife. She's gorgeous and beautiful. Before 4 or 5 years, I got a message that lady said that she is not happy with her husband because he is only crazy about making money. He has his own business. He doesn't spend time with her. It's not only about men, it's also about women. If you are only thinking about enjoyment, drinking, sleeping, dancing, having fun, and one day we will die, it's not going to worth you because enjoyment is only for a moment when you enjoy. When it's over, oh, it's that. I'm over it. I'm done. And you will regret. I did something wrong. I mean to say that don't be the one you are going to hate someone. Don't be the one you are going to cheat someone. Don't be the one you are going to hurt someone. People will always remember you. All my words are good. It doesn't mean that I'm also good. I'm also a bad person. I have a lot of things in myself negative. I have hurt a lot of people in person. That's what I want you not to do because it's beyond your life. It's beyond something that you expect to have. You're joining my free classes. What if one day I announce all 20 members, if you pay, I will teach you. Don't pay, I will not teach you. How will you feel after this lecture, after this class? You would be abusing me. What I can see in your heart and your mind, he's really rude. You can even abuse me in my face. Your words are beautiful, but your heart and your personality, you're really bad, and I have to bear it. That's what going to hurt me more. In the same way, it's going to hurt you more. We are not going to have the same serious class every day. I'm not going to teach you the same spirituality or being positive, emotional speeches. I'm not going to teach you the same every day because I know you know. What I'm saying, we all know the next step is to take an action. That's what we have, it's all we know, but we don't follow. The next one is we are going to take the next step. We have to do it for our upcoming future generations, and it will change the world, I know. Only one person can change this world. Only one person can't make it positive. We all have to work together. We all have to come together. That's the reason you are invited here in this class from different countries. I know it's not going to work today. It will take time. We will have a network of good people from different countries, from different religions, and we will have a peaceful world. Can you imagine this peaceful world while no one is hurt, while no one is cheated? We are all smiling. When someone is coming out from home, smiling. That is a smiley face. When you look at the person, you also smile. What a beautiful moment. When you have already negativity in your side, inside, you are already sad, you're already hurt, you can't smile because our face is the first index. Our face is the first identity that what we show. And this is why my name is the secret. If you really want to know much more about myself, if you really want to know who I am in real, you have to do it. When we have 1,000 people, positive people, 1,000 members in IEHG, learning English fluently and being successful what they are doing, and at the same time spreading love, help, the people are in need. I will show you my real face, who I am. I will let you know everything about myself, how I survived this world. This is not always that much happy you see in my face. It has hurt me a lot. I have also bear a lot of pain. I sleep every day by thinking what if it couldn't happen to me. I wasn't hurt. Almost the people hurt me I believe in. I don't want more people to be hurt, to get hurt. I want them all to sleep in peace. This is what I am making this conversation emotional. So from now, we are going to take an oath that we will help people and we are going to bring 100 people in this class and we are going to share positivity. We are going to love them. We are going to tell them you are beautiful, you are unique, you are special. We don't need to fight. This is just a world politics. Yes, this is just a religious politics. The people are killed. It is just selfishness that girls are raped, people are murdered, and I don't want it anymore. I am done with it all. When I have gotten news from the world, a girl is raped, it's kind of feeling all men are dead. We are not actually human beings, we are animals. We are more than that animals. Being on this planet feeling like that I am not alive, I'm dead, I'm not going against it. When someone is hurting real, I feel that it's not a person, it's not a man who did it, it's also me because I couldn't reach this person. So now this is your responsibility to reach these people and deliver my words, and you can invite them all to this class, and we are going to work together. Hope we will be happy and this world will live in peace. Well, thanks for joining. This class is over. And if you have a question after it, you have 5 minutes and let me know what you want to ask and what's your perspective. Leave me a message on Hello Talk, Telegram, or WhatsApp, whether you got my contact or email. I will contact you and we will have a healthy conversation. Go ahead, Arman sir, or any of you, if you have something to say, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
new member, if you have any question, please ask.
So really, I appreciate your work. You are well done.
Yeah, new members, do you have anything to ask? Because this session is getting recorded and it will be uploaded on YouTube
Thank you,
every day.
teacher,
No, sir.
for
Thank you.
this conference. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me your precious time. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
I'm not doing it to get your thanks. I'm doing it so that you can take an action.
Yes.
And this is not for the first time. I am being serious. I also started the same free classes during lockdown when we lost our hope because of COVID-19.
Yes.
And there were thousands of serious members and learners. We started working with them. They all gave up. But they're not they're not well. It's well, I can say that you're welcome. But keep in your mind, thank is not going to help anymore. You have to be thankful to who are helping you in real. I will feel that I really help you when I get myself inside you, the words, the positivity, the mission I have. I hope it's going to work within 2 or 5 years. Time, but I hope it will work.
Yes, sir.
So I gotta leave for now. I have to teach private classes, paid classes. Goodbye. See you.
Bye, sir. Take care.
Bye bye, everybody.
Bye, sir. Take care. Nice to
Please be on time.